Ay! Hey! Ay! I never know say Twitter self. You know, this thing self they go up. Hey, Twitter for me jamu baku. Ay! Ay, Twitter! Oh my God! Which foolish people they talk for Twitter say, BRB, Bush where I be this. Most of you will not pay your rent. Make you know they come there and they come talk stupid things for place like that. Yeah, you understand me? It's very disgracing. You understand me? I just wake up. Where I say Burna Boy win award. I say, oh no, even my blood. Yesterday I see come Ghana. It dey Ghana I no see him. So I say, oh no, as blood finish work there, make I go just see him yesterday. I go see him yesterday. Today I wake up, I say he win award. I did congratulate her. Stupid Ghanaians. Stupid. Some youth for Ghana where they stupid like that. And see Ghana, that boy, we know they feel go on because most of the youth for Ghana, we fool. If you say go university, you know be the university, oh my guy. Don't come on Twitter and can't they do like you be university. Your university paper, go pay your rent. Go take watch your father and your mother. Oh, nonsense with this. Silly, stupid people for Twitter. Some people where they just wake up, they go church. But I want this Satawale before you go church. If they go pray, may God give them money. God no go give you money. You no go get rich. You go be poor for the rest of your life. Abowa. Nonsense with this. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. People say pa. Say pa. Twitter. You see, let me just explain something to some people. You understand? Because when you take feelings to him, I can't tell you who I make check, who true, aboa kwasega. I will tell you all those things. Make you say, you see, as man wake up, man, they think money. You know, if they think money, if I write something like, you can read carefully and just answer the way they think it. Because as I wake up, I don't do this to anybody. I say, congrats, bro. Yeah, we did it. Yes, you know, blah, blah. Burna Boy is my blood. So if you woman, man, young girl, young boy, you just wake up from bed. Say, oh, why I can't congratulate Burna Boy? Say, he win award. So you won't fight. No, as I say somebody win award, you won't fight. Hey, make a choice. Uma metre ba. Papa kote. Ose. If those things I'm going to tell you. Because I'm going to see like, yeah, what's up? How? Why they do those things? Because the thing I'm talking with logic. Somebody win award where they congratulate the person. You say me one. If you say if that life will be inside. Now they into riches, so you see when you watch my fucking, there's a date just oil, oyster perpetual, dripping. I'm dripping, nigga. You dripping? No, you dripping? Are you dripping? No, are you dripping? Are you dripping? You know how much they marry? You know how much you marry? Screenshot them. See, the blink. Fucking dates just. Check it online. Are you stupid? I just can't congratulate somebody. Oh, Ghana youth. So when you go learn, Ghana youth, if you say when they do this, Akufo-Addo go up with. The president says most of the youth, you know they think. Because when he give you employment, he build something, make you go learn. You don't want to go learn. Because they say, President, why you for do this and why we for go even go learn this? This thing, we don't like it. We want the popping one, you know, something with swag. Uma me trim swag. What's here? We been got Pamako, you now met Nasu. Now I'm friend a carpenter. You can also be that carpenter. You fool, eh? Me, I get time. I get time for this. Because see me as I did my mansion. Nobody say nobody force me for rent. You understand me? Everything they go on, Chris, you understand me? I get watermelon, I get fruit, I get things. See, I get water. I get things from my kitchen. you know what I'm saying? You did there, I get air conditioning. I go fit switch air conditioning for my kitchen. Air conditioning, where air conditioning? Yeah, air conditioning. You did my kitchen. Because I get air conditioning for your kitchen. You get air conditioning for kitchen. Don't did there you a man won't argue because I just go congratulate Burna Boy. If you know be Burna Boy in fan, don't come talk. But if boy did there, you want make I tell people something. You see me, I don't want any corporate fan. Me, I want the masses. Make my fans be there. Boys they beg for streets. Boys they dig gutter for streets. Boys they do all the nonsense job. I like those fans. Sabako squad free fuck up page you wanna Lanya Scout. So see what for university or Twitter. Are you your mind open for Twitter? You be Twitter guy. You be some guy where they Twitter. Cause white man just do Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, why Facebook. You carry on for your palm. So if you say they control the world, you dey fucking dig your own grave. White man, they just do apps where they full top. So if you say you no go respect anybody, you dey fucking shut down your dream. Me, I will come Twitter and can't put my song for that. When you fucking guy go listen to me. When you go talk, say, oh yeah, Charlie the guy, nice. Yeah. But you make up your mind, say if you wake up, you won't just come put insults for Shatta Wale in comment under. If you say God will bless you, what's ya? Your Sarkodie and Beam Nation, whatever you talk about, they don't know use on social media. That's what I mean. You see me when I get opportunities like this, and they bam, and they use on broadcast, and they live, they watch me, your mother. That be the use of apps. That be the technology where it come the world inside right now. If you don't know. You can't talk some shit and some shit and some. As you said, your father said they cry for rent, your mother said they cry for rent. Pussy! I mean, check back on the like I said, if you say you can't do something and Shatta Wale me, hey, you see, as at the drip, it's just at the man, no, it costs past plenty things. Pascal, you see what it costs Pascal? Cost Pascal. What do you mean? Don't fool yourself. Don't ever fool yourself. You see me as I did Ghana. Don't see me like the artist where you see the, hey, you see me? People they talk shit later. They say, okay, oh, okay, we saw Ghana people they think, it's like Shatta Wale there with Jimmy. I fucking got a Range Rover yesterday. What did you get for yourself? I fucking bought my mom a yard. What do you buy for yourself? I fucking got my mom a car. What do you get for your mom? I fucking got my dad some nice gifts. What do you get? My Land Cruiser fucking buying for my dad. What you get? What you make for your parents? Take the Ghana youth, they can't do that because illiterate. Because see, I will literate two certificates. What are you there? What are you there? Where has he got you do? Then you wake up and say, I go church. Fucking fake Christians. Stupid Ghanaians. We don't know they think. That was a Ghana village. They follow some artists. So if you see, as they follow these artists, somebody can write on Twitter and say, in fact, Shatta, they like your music, but hey, don't like it. You're not letting me like because you're free up. You say you better help you. You say you don't like it, who know you? What you do for your life or your family said where they know you say, if this guy he build this toilet for the family. What say yeah? All the fucking thing with that. You boy just say that unnecessary talk, unnecessary this thing. Somebody if you can't do that, somebody if you go check in people say did you follow on 5, 10. 5, 10, 10, 15, 20, 30, 5. We did there, we know they do electronic fans. You see my fans, when I do show them more they come there. My fans, when I do show them more they come there. We did there, you want to do, then you get your artist with me as I do Thanksgiving. God, I thank you. I go tour for the whole year. As he said, I do shows. Hey God, I tell you, so Thanksgiving. I do Thanksgiving. Because artists they say they do fill the dome. Fill the dome, what it will benefit you and me. I say go invite president. You say president no come. You say president no come. I say wait Jimmy Ruff. Ghana president. He say, hey, Beam Nation, your president, he full rough. Fill the dome. Hey, if you fill the dome, it will give you money, or it will give you life, or it will give you something better for your life. You can't do the people to the support. They fill the dome because Shatta Wale good one. Kwasia, They can't dash me money. Then your so-called president to go do I mean they can dash them to money. Then go look like, hey, you are fooling yourself. You are lying to yourself. You understand me? You are fucking lying to yourself. Your people you are following, they are not making any money. They lie. They lie. Don't lie to yourself. Don't make somebody lie to you. Say, if it's true, you know the way Shatta they behave, on the caution, Nipa no kita scanon na mutu mu bon. Go check that. Go check Mokola. Go check how do you call them? UTC, that area. They will show you somebody where you get money here. But I'm not too bon. Because yeah, you know what be money. You know how to make money. That's why most of you know if you even do mining business, Galamsey, because you don't know Galamsey business. Go to Galamsey boys. Because somebody they work like this. You get money past your generation. Come on for that. Because yeah, today white man, that Roma, you get Instagram, so you live fake life. You can get there and you talk your mind like you get sense for your family. If you get sense, can't do what Shatawale they do. Shatawale they do things, can't do so. That power. Your poor didn't even want just reason. Reason for yourself, my guy. Reason, my sister, my brother. Reason for yourself. Because you see, when you know reason for yourself, you go suffer. You go break. You be on bow. You date Twitter, you go make friend, look for somebody, do business, start something. You know how many things we had to get for Twitter? Not with Twitter alone, social media alone. I bow down. Then put it there, you won't compare somebody to somebody. You won't compare me to Stonebwoy and Sarkodie. You won't want me to me. So who be Sarkodie?